Hello, Bryant here. Just want to demonstrate the simplicity of the new harvesttec 77E economy moisture sensor, where you'll get your control module here. And I want to demonstrate the simplicity of setting up the system in the baler ISO terminal, whether you're running an AGCO case New Holland with an ISO VT. You'll, once integrated, have a separate object pool here. And then the setup is as simple as going into your setup mode, selecting your moisture, and then we're going to change from the standard star wheels for the economy system, and we're going to go to microwave shoot. We will obviously disable some of the functions of the 700 series, but in addition to setting up that shoot, we do need to choose our OEM. We're going to set it either a 3-foot or 4-foot wide baler, and then we're going to put our density in. That's going to be anywhere from 145 to 155 within that density, and that can be utilized to offset some of the moisture readings. So I'm going to set that at 150, and then we have to do a zero adjust. With our microwaves installed, we do need to have them recognize one another at the back of the bale chamber. So we'll run that zero adjust, continue, and then zero adjust value should show up down in the right hand corner. Reference your operator's manual to verify that's the right zero adjust value. But from there, we'll simply go back to the home. On page 2, we're then going to only run in manual mode. So the auto mode's been discontinued. We can no longer set that, so we're already in pause. We'll unpause that to start reading our moisture, and then we can toggle back to the baler run screen. And in that run screen, you can set up one of your pools to read moisture, and now our moisture will be displayed right on the baler run screen. Additionally, if you're not running an ISO baler, we have the simplicity of the Precision Bale app from harvesttec. In that same control module, we'll simply plug in our Android or Apple device. With the app open, we will shortly be able to see the moisture run screen coming up. So if you don't have or are not interested in running one single baler monitor with moisture, we'll have a separate tablet option. So now we're automatically in the run screen. No need to really pause or unpause, but we'll simply be showing our moisture on the go. And every time the bale is tied, we'll have a last bale average moisture, and then our histogram of what the moisture's been doing the last 90 seconds down that windrow. Hope this was helpful.